Welcome back to Mwafo Igbo podcast, where we explore various cultures from around the world, especially the Igbo culture. I'm your lovely host, Ada Igwe Umori, and today we have an exciting episode lined up for you as we delve into the ultimate guide to understanding Igbo culture and traditions. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's embark on this fascinating journey together. To truly understand a culture, it's important to learn about its history. The Igbo people are one of the largest ethnic groups in Nigeria, with a rich heritage that dates back thousands of years. They mainly inhabit the southeastern region of Nigeria and are known for their vibrant traditions and cultural practices. Firstly, let's talk about language. The Igbo language is a tonal language with over 20 dialects spoken by millions of people. While English is widely spoken due to colonial influence, maintaining and passing on the Igbo language has been a significant aspect of preserving their cultural identity. Music plays a vital role in Igbo culture as well. Their traditional music is lively and rhythmic, often accompanied by drums and other percussion instruments like the ogene, a metal bell, which adds a unique sound to their melodies. These songs not only entertain, but also convey messages rooted in historical events or moral values. Now comes the most famous aspect of Igbo culture, their rich attire. Traditional clothing varies for different occasions and genders, but boasts vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and detailed embroidery work. Traditional outfits for men include the isiago, paired with trousers or wrappers, while women wear colorful blouses, paired with wrappers known as wrapper George or akwacha. Ceremonial staple food also holds immense value within Igbo traditions. One such popular dish is jollof rice, a vibrant mix of local spices, tomatoes, peppers, and rice. Another renowned delicacy is pounded yam, yam being a staple crop in their region. Drinking gari, which is made from cassava, and dishes made with cocoyam leaves such as ofe nsala, a white soup prepared with assorted meats. Now, let's talk about some significant cultural practices among the Igbo people. One of them is the Igbo marriage system. Marriage in Igbo culture goes beyond the union of individuals. It's an amalgamation of families through elaborate ceremonies and rites. The groom-to-be presents a list of items called the bride price to the bride's family as part of traditional negotiations. Another prominent tradition within the Igbo community involves masquerades. These masked performers play various roles during special events like festivals or funerals. They entertain, educate, and mythically represent ancestral spirits believed to bring blessings or dispel evil spirits. Religion plays a vital role in Igbo culture as well. While Christianity gained strong footing during colonization and is widely practiced today, traditional religious beliefs also persist. The belief in deities known as Alose, which govern different aspects of life such as fertility, harvest, health, or protection from evil spirits. It is essential to highlight the resilience and ingenuity displayed by Igbo people throughout history. Despite experiencing challenges such as colonization during Nigeria's past and political strife at present times, they have maintained their cultural heritage through various means like literature, folk tales shared orally from generation to generation, books celebrated globally, such as Chinua Achebe's Things Fall Apart, which provided valuable insights into pre-colonial African era. As we wrap up our comprehensive guide on understanding Igbo culture and traditions here at Mwafo Igbo podcast series today, remember that this is just an introductory journey into this vibrant world. An invitation for you to dig deeper if you find this culture fascinating. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening episode today. I hope you enjoyed my exploration of the Igbo culture and traditions. Stay tuned in more fascinating episodes as we continue to unravel the wonders of Igbo culture in Nigeria.